Hi guys. Some of you guys are having trouble with Win-RaR, so I'm going to show you how to install it and use it. You want to go run as administrator. After downloading this, the link will be in the description. Again, my computer's too slow, but you can probably just double click on it. Yeah. You want to click yes when it asks you to do this. And then you want to go to install. Should come up with this extracting files, program files, and then associated with Win-RaR, just leave it how it is. Press OK. And then I'll say run. It says it's been installed successfully and done. Now you can go to your, what is going on here? Okay. See, now you have this one here, the Win-RaR. This one works for the archiver tool. Okay, now say you want to open up Minecraft. Now I should be able to use, and I did delete this before I did the video. Oh, gotta Minecraft. Open with Win-RaR Archiver. It's there, and I already deleted all of this stuff. Sometimes, if you didn't install it right, you gotta choose default program, and it'll be other programs, or we can hit browse. Then look up Win-RaR. And there you go. It should be right here. And then you double click it, and it'll be right there. It'll come up Win-RaR Archiver. So I'll go ahead and open it, show you that it works. See? And left click on this first, and then right click it. And then it should come up with an open with if you're having troubles finding this. And then it should be an arrow. It shouldn't be open. It should be open with. And then double click on Win-RaR Archiver. That's how you install it and use it. And I've got a link for this. So, hope this helped if you were having trouble.